Hello friends, I am Professor Shivaji Vargi. In previous session of strategic business management, we have seen about what is corporate level strategies. These corporate level strategies are designed at top of the organizational hierarchies by its CEO, then managing directors, then director body, chairpersons. Okay, this decision related to this corporate level strategies like allocation of resources to the different strategic business unit or business units, then the transfer of resources from one business unit to another business units, and managing the portfolio of strategic business unit or business units. These corporate level strategies are divided into four types, which are expansion or growth strategies, stability strategies, retrenchment strategies, and combination strategies. Stability strategy is one kind of grand strategies or master strategies which is adopted by organizations when organizations attempt at an incremental improvement of functional performance by changing its business definitions or by changing its customer groups, customer needs, or alternative technologies, either jointly or singly. Or the stability strategies is adopted by organizations when company feels there is no scope for expansion or growth. Then the stability strategy is further divided into three types, which are no change, profit, and cautions. No change strategy is about when company doing nothing new or company doing nothing is also called as no change strategies. Then profit strategies. In short period of times, company few things for skim the profit from all markets or skim the profit from selected market segments. Our company want to just make the monies by increasing the prices of products, reducing the cost, reducing the investments. Then next one, caution strategies. Caution strategy is about before entering into the market, company check the ground, or before entering into the markets, company provide some sample to the its segment markets, and then finally they can come into the markets. Now in today's session we are going to see about expansion or growth strategies. These expansion and growth strategies are further divided into four types, which are concentration, integration, diversification, and internationalizations. So we'll start with what is expansion or growth strategies. The expansion grand strategies is followed when an organizations aim at high growth of substantially broadening the scope of one or more businesses in the terms of respective business definitions or customer groups, customer functions, and alternative technologies, either singly or jointly. This expansion strategies are adopted by company when company feels there is a scope for increasing its business in one or more businesses in the terms of changing the business definitions. Okay, then expansion strategies also called as growth strategies or intensification strategies. Okay, then why company adopt this expansion strategies? Because it may become imperative when environment demand in an increase in a space of activities, when environment itself, either external or internal, demanding for increasing activities or demanding for increasing your business, that time company goes for expansion strategies. Okay, suppose you are producing some things and in external environments or in your customers demanding for more products, that may be also reason for your expansion strategies. Okay, then increasing a size maybe leads to control over the markets, because company want to increase its size because they want to be a leader into markets. Okay, increasing in size in the terms of productions, in the terms of profit, in the terms of number of product in the markets. The next one, advantages for experience curves and scale of operations or number of operations. Experience curve is when consider this x and y axis. In this x and y axis, when company is in a first years, okay, consider here time and consider here profits. In a first year, company is making this much of profit only, and while time passing, company's profit is starting increasing because of his experience. Okay, for enjoying this much of profit, or because company want to adopt this expansion strategies. Then scale up operations, because company want to increase number of operations or increases product in the markets. These are the some reasons for adopting this expansion strategies. Then first, concentration strategies. First type within the expansion strategies, that is concentration strategies. Okay, first level type of expansion strategy, that is putting all eggs in a one basket. Same like our specialized farmings. Companies specialize in doing something, or companies specialize in a particular business units or particular strategic business segment only. Okay, it involves the converting resources in a one or more firms businesses in terms of respective customer needs, customers functions and alternative technologies, either singly or jointly. In this, companies are focusing only few segments or only one segment of business only. Okay, in the terms of business definitions. Okay, then it also known as intensification, focus strategy, specializations and organic growth strategies. Okay, now with the continuation of these concentration strategies, in practical terms, concentration strategies involve investment of resources in the product line for identified market only. Company is doing investment only the identified market or only existing market only. Okay, because they are specialized in doing that things only. Then concentration is an often first preference for strategies for firm, because simple reasons it would like to doing more of what is already they are doing. Okay, because company like to do what they are doing now only. Okay, because they are happy with that existing products or existing markets only. Okay, company is just focusing on that products or that business segments only. Then concentration involved minimal organizational changes and less threatening and less problematic, because company is doing existing products in a or existing markets or in a new product in a existing market only. Okay, concentration by name itself, company is focusing only that particular segments only or that particular market only. Then it enables the firms master in a one or few businesses and enable it to specialize in a gaining in a depth knowledge, because company it makes to masters or market leader in a particular business segments, because they have specialized and they have deep knowledge of that markets or that product about. Okay, then because of their deep knowledge and because of their master in that business segments, it make company more competitive advantages rather than your competitors. Then systematic process within the firms are developed in a such a way that people are familiar with them, because company is doing with an existing things or specialize in a particular things only. Okay, because of these reasons companies are familiar with this their business. Then what are the drawbacks or what are the merits of this concentration strategies? First one, concentration strategies are heavily dependent on industries. If the industries goes in a recession or if the industries goes in a deficit, the company also goes in a this recessions. Okay, industries are, what is industry? Industries are producing the same kind of products or your ultimate competitors for your products. Okay, if the company industries goes wrong, your company also goes wrong. Then factors such as product obsolescence, change in the markets, or customer satisfactions, emergence of new technologies or emergence of new fashions in the markets or change in the markets is also means drawbacks for your concentration strategies. Then concentration required large cash flows for particular segment business only, because we are keeping all eggs or our all money in a particular business segment only. If that particular business segment goes wrong or goes in your negatives, our total business or our total X will goes wrong only. Okay, then what are the types of concentration strategies? This concentration strategies are market penetrations. When company penetrate the market only, means in existing market only with an existing products, means by the increasing the uses of products. Okay, then product development. Company enter into means existing markets with an new product, and finally market developments. Okay, with an existing product, company enter into the new markets. Okay, these are about the types of concentration strategies. This concentration strategies consist three types: market penetration, product development, and market development. You will understand better in this diagram. Okay, ANSOP matrix. These first three, market penetration, market product development, and market development, these are the types of concentration strategies. If they ask for concentration type for concentration strategy, you need to write these three things. And if they ask for ANSOP matrix, then you need to draw this diagram with an explanations. Okay, now on the X axis we have considered the product, and on Y axis we have considered markets. Okay, with an existing products and in a existing markets, which leads to the market penetrations, means in old markets with an old product only. Okay, we are just increasing the uses of your products only. Then in a existing markets, in old markets with an new product, you are enter with an new product in a existing market, that is product development. And that next one, market development. Market development is an with an existing product or with your old product, you are entering into new market, that is an market development. And diversification is an with an new product and new markets. Okay, suppose for example, now Patanjali have want to consider their Ayurvedic products. Okay, now they are focusing their, or they are changing the trend of their products, means they are selling their products as a immunity boosters. Okay, as a, means their same products, means their same Chyawanprash they are selling as a immunity boosters in a existing markets only. That is an market penetrations only. Okay, then suppose Patanjali have made the new products, means Chyawanprash they have added with some another features in a existing or in a particular market segments only, that is an product development. Now this Chyawanprash they have sell to starting in a new market segments, to the means old age person or to the child peoples or to the women's. Okay, this is an market developments. Okay, and diversifications, they have entered with an new markets and with an new products. So this is about the ANSOP matrix. Okay, you can read here. Market penetration is an selling more products in a existing market only. Okay, and firms attempt on focusing on intensively in existing market with an existing or present product only. Okay, because through the increasing the uses of existing customers. Okay, then market development involves selling same products in a new markets. Okay, same Chyawanprash with an new market segments. Then market product development, new product or new addition of Chyawanprash products into same or existing markets. Okay, so this is about the today's session. And last one, sorry, diversifications involves substantially changes in a business definition or totally changing the business definitions. This diversification we will see in upcoming session. So this is about the today's session. What we learned today. Today we have seen about what is expansion strategies. Expansion strategy is when company feels there is a scope for increase in their business in the terms of business definition, either singly or jointly. Okay, This strategy is also called as growth and intensification strategies. Then why company adopt this expansion strategies? When environment demand for increase their business, or when environment demand for change their business. Okay. Then increasing size, because company want to leaders in the markets. Then company want to enjoy the experience curves and number of operations. Then in this expansion strategies involve first type, that is concentration strategies. It is an first level type of strategies. It is about putting all eggs in a one basket, like specializations in a some things. And this company converting resources in a one or more few firm businesses. Okay, company investing in a, or company concentrating on a few segment of business only, or particular business only. It is also called intensification, focus, specializations, or organic and growth strategies. Okay, then investing in a particular segment or in a existing product line or existing marketing also. Okay, then company like to do what they are doing in already. Okay, it is an less threatening and less problematic, because companies have masters that doing at that business, and they have depth knowledge. And due to this one, it leads to some competitive advantages to the companies. And company, because these are the means daily job or daily routine of these companies, and because of this it is an family with and companies. Then these are the some drawbacks. Heavily dependent on industries. If industries goes wrong, your total business will goes wrong. Then it will not focus on obsolescence or changing demands, then the changing fashions or changing the market or changing market trends, then new technologies. Okay, then it required large cash flows. If the business goes wrong, your total cash will be goes in a wrong. Then types of concentrations: market penetrations, product development, and market development. Okay, market penetration is an existing market with an existing product. Then product development is about the existing markets with an new product, and market development is about new market with an existing product. Okay, this is an ENSOP matrix. Okay, on X and Y. Okay, this side we have considered product, this side we have considered market. In existing markets with an existing products, that is an market penetrations. With a new product in a existing market is an product development, and with existing product in a new market is an market development strategies. And new product in a new market is about the diversifications. So this is about the today's sessions. I hope you have understand. Thank you.